Have you ever felt a quiet space inside you, even when people are around? A moment that is just yours, a place where only you exist. What if I tell you Bengali has a word that captures that feeling perfectly? Curious. Let's discover it together. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome back to Shaheda Bengali Paradise. Learn Bengali, speak from heart. I'm your teacher, Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 7 of our 60-day Bengali vocabulary journey, where you don't memorize words, you feel them, use them, and truly own them. And at the end of this lesson, you will receive a special reward. So stay tuned until the end. Today's word is alone. In Bengali, we say eka. Repeat after me. Eka. Now you say it. In Bengali, alone doesn't always mean lonely. You can be alone and peaceful, alone to think clearly, alone and discovering yourself. When you say alone in Bengali, people feel your quiet truth. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a Bengali Vocabulary Fluency Assessment. Students who participate will receive a Bengali Vocabulary Fluency Certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio description or comments, depending on the platform you're using. This is not just a challenge. This journey is building something real. Don't forget to check out previous lessons to pass the test. For learners who want deeper practice, I have created a 15-day private Bengali vocabulary program, short focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's for students who want structured guidance and faster progress. If you would like to take today's lesson a step further, every lesson in this 60-day Bengali series comes with a complete written study guide on my website. You will find it in the blog section with the full lesson, subtitles, detailed explanations, extra example sentences, and everything we cover in this video. It's a perfect place to review today's lesson at your own pace and strengthen your understanding. And if you would like personal guidance, you can book private lessons directly through my website. Students just like you are achieving incredible results. Now let's move on to today's reward. Real native style example sentences. ভিড়ে থাকলেও সে একা অনুভব করেছিল। মন শান্ত করার জন্য সে একা হাঁটতে গেল। Notice something important? We say, I am alone, not just I alone in Bengali. One important reminder, transliteration helps you understand pronunciation, but remember Bengali is not English. Do not force English sound into Bengali words. It's Bengali, sound like Bengali. Now this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using alone in Bengali. Say it out loud, then write it in the comments. Your voice carries your confidence. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Bengali course or next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 7. Tomorrow, day 8, we will explore more daily life vocabulary. Before you go, don't forget to visit the blog section on my website for today's complete study guide. It's there whenever you'd like to review the lesson or get some extra practice. Thank you for learning with me today. Follow the journey, stay consistent with Shaheda Bengali Paradise, learn Bengali, speak from heart.